What's up, everybody? It's Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2009 Kawasaki Concours 14. Let's take a quick walk around this thing. It is, like I said, it's a 2009 Concours 14. It has the 1350 motor, the 6-speed transmission, and it's right around like 670 pounds dry weight. Here we go on the rear tire. It's got some life left on it. It's definitely been ridden, but it's looking pretty good. Everything here on the tail, we got tail light and turn signal all in one, and there's that too. And we got both bags. Here you can see the exhaust coming around the side. Everything, this bike was pretty well taken care of. The guy put some miles on it. I actually met the guy. He took pretty good care of it. And other than that, though, I mean, it's a nice looking bike. It's been ridden. It is not a antique or a museum piece. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean did. It should be up on the website and up on YouTube. Everything here on the side is looking pretty clean. Here on the bags, though, I just want to point this out. There's some scuffing right here. I'm not sure what would have cost something like that. And there's also some other scuffing right in here and here. They're not chips or scratches, just looks like maybe boot scuffs. We got the rear peg and the driver peg, rear brake. And coming up here, like I said, this thing is pretty well taken care of. It's pretty clean, not a lot of marks or nicks. A few light marks here, down here, kind of on the lower fairing. Coming up here in the front, get up here on this front fender. Front fender is looking pretty nice. No chips or anything like that, or any marks in the paint. You can see it is got the dual disc rotors up front, and the tires looking pretty good. Again, it's been ridden. It's got some miles on it. It's got some life left. There is one like small mark here right on the front of the fender. Come up here on the front, you can see the headlights. It's kind of got that mean like sport bike look to it almost in the front. It is the 1400, which is the Busa motor.
ZX14 motor.
Oh, ZX14 motor. Spin this thing around so you can see the other side. There you go on the front fairing. There is some marking right there. A little bit of dirt, but there's a mark right there. My finger's pointing. And this whole side is looking pretty good. Not a lot to report. Even in here in the fins is pretty clean. Not any junk or anything in there. Down here, look on this bottom, this belly pan too. Not the marks that there were on the other side. Got there's the rider peg and the shift knob, and the passenger peg. Here on the side panels, it's also pretty clean. There's some marks up here on this top of this bag. Again, just some light scuffs, not scratches. That might be a scratch right there, actually. I'll keep moving around. There's the luggage rack. There's Concours 14 badge. Nice big seat for the passenger and for the rider. Up over the tank. Up to the gauge cluster. Here we got your controls and your mirror. Same thing on this side. Turn this thing on. As you can see, that gauges come on, has 11,000 miles. A lot of life left on this bike. We can fire it up real quick so you guys can see it run, or hear it run, a little bit of both. Look right to life. quiet motor. That is very nice. We can check the signals, make sure the signals work. Back here in the back, your rear signal, your front signal. There you go, rear signal on this side, and front signal on this side. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2009 Kawasaki Concours 14. Don't miss out on the test drive. Thanks so much for watching.